Hello friends, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the new Waves Custom Fit Earbuds, and I'll also be giving you my initial thoughts and review, and I want to compare them to my current set of in-ear monitors, the KZ6 drivers that sound amazing, but I'm looking forward to seeing how these custom Waves fit and how they sound. Let's get started. All right, let's unbox and see what this looks like. We got a cable here. Oh, let's see. Waves custom box here. Got some ear tips and a pouch. Let's see what's in the pouch. Ah, there's the earbuds right there. I opted for the wood face. Okay, and I'm assuming also in the box is this must be the Bluetooth adapter. So, yep, TRN, whatever brand this is, but this is the Bluetooth upgrade. So instead of a around the neck configuration, it looks like this is going to go behind the ear. Couple of the foam type ear tips, which I currently use a lot, so I'm familiar with those, and a detachable cable, and the earbuds themselves. They feel very lightweight. Yeah, they're much lighter than the other earbuds I have. All right, let's see what these feel like. So, it's a really good fit. I can even tuck them in a little bit further on the side than I realized, and wow, they feel really good. The scanning technology that you use to scan your ear and what they've matched is pretty perfect. I'm amazed. Can't really tell. Snap. They seal really well. Amazing. All right, so the next step is to see how they sound. All right, so after going back and forth between the Waves Custom Fit and the KZ6 driver that I've been using more recently, I will have to say that listening experience wise, I like the KZs a lot better. They sound more balanced overall. The Waves Custom, they have a lot of clarity. They sound good. There's not a lot of bass. Now, I'm sure this is a flat, they try to create a flat response, and the highs and everything are really clear, but there's not a whole lot of bass at all. Like I know if I were playing bass guitar, I would have to really crank up the bass EQ on my in-ear monitors in order to really be able to hear myself as well as I would like. I can still hear the kick and so forth, but it's just not as present as with the KZs. Time will tell. Maybe these drivers need to be broken in, so maybe more playing time will help open up the response. Listening pleasure wise, I would rather listen to the KZs. And then the real test will be, well, how do these, it's one thing to listen to music, casually sitting in your office or at home, but it's a whole different thing to be listening to a mix when you're performing. So the real test will be at the next time I get to play and trying these and comparing these to the others, and I'll do a follow-up review on that later on. But so far, I am impressed with how well these fit and just how much more isolated I am with these in my ears. They fit so well and so perfectly in my ears that it's like the best earplugs. You could not get a better isolation. So if that's what you're going for, the clarity seems to be there pretty well. The bass response may not be where you want it, but again, it could be there could be a break-in period, or just need to tweak the EQ to bring up bass response if you're playing bass or drums. So I hooked up the Bluetooth adapters, and the fit is really comfortable. They feel great. Pairing was not an issue with my phone. But the shocking thing was when I went to play music, the earbuds sounded a lot better. Like the clarity and the sound was, the bass, the whole spectrum, it just sounded so much better, except for a little bit of background hiss. You could almost imperceptible, but there's like a floor noise when these Bluetooth devices are engaged. So it got me thinking, well, is it the Bluetooth, or is it something with the cable, or what's the deal? Why do they sound so different? So I switched back to the cable that came with the Waves in-ears, and I tried again, and they still sound like I initially said they did. There's not a whole lot of bass. There's so I don't know if the cable is the issue. Maybe a better cable would improve the sound quality, or maybe the Bluetooth adapters are adding some EQ to the to boost up the bass and create a more pleasurable listening experience. I don't know. So, but anyway, the upgraded Bluetooth adapters, they feel really good. They sound great. Time will tell, how well they hold up and how long they hold a charge and so forth. But I think it was a worthy upgrade, and I will definitely get some use out of them. That's it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and all those good things to help me with this channel. And I'll see you again soon.